Hi friends, I am Rajnikant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Suman's Digital English Tutorial Videos. Dear guys, today I am going to dictate questions and answers from the book Vistas for the 12th class English. So let's begin with reading with insight. Question 1. The story is a satire on the conceit of those in power. How does the author employ the literary device of dramatic irony in the story? Dear guys, its answer. On the surface level, The Tiger King seems to be a simple story about a royal prince, his growth, and exploits as a king. The prophecies at his death about the manner of his death make the story interesting by introducing the elements of surprise and suspense. On a deeper level, the story is a satire on those the story is a satire on the conceit of those in power. It is usually seen that those in power have too much pride in themselves and what they do. Two such specimens in the story are the Tiger King and the British officer. The author employs dramatic irony and humor to show their faults and weaknesses. The words of these characters carry an extra meaning. They do not know what is going to happen. The Tiger King resolves to hunt 100 tigers to disprove the prediction of the astrologer. In his stubbornness, he falls prey to a wooden tiger. The high-ranking British officer is equally vain. He is more interested in photograph with the carcass of than hunting itself. The Tiger King offers to organize any other hunt except tiger hunt. It may be a boar hunt, mouse hunt, or a mosquito hunt. He has to lose 3 lakhs of rupees for his refusal. The ego of the British officer is satisfied when his wife is pleased to get diamond rings sent by the Maharaja. Question 2. What is the author's indirect comment on subjecting innocent animals to the willfulness of human beings? Dear guys, its answer. For centuries, innocent animals have been subjected to the willfulness of human beings. Man has been killing animals for sport, meat, or organ of the body. The author does not make any direct comment about it in the story. Man advances strange logic to defend himself. Even his unlawful and cruel acts. The Maharaja quotes an old saying, you may kill even a cow in self-defense. Hence he finds no objection to kill tigers in self-defense. It reveals not only the carelessness of human being towards the wildlife, but their disregard for maintaining the ecological balance. The extinction of tigers in Pratibandapuram state, and the state ruled by the Maharaja's father-in-law. Employ illustrates the result on the man's cruelty towards wild animals. An old tiger has to be brought from the People's Park in Madras to satisfy the king's whim to kill 100 tigers. Dear guys, question 3. How would you describe the behavior of the Maharaja's minions towards him? Do you find them truly sincere towards him, or are they driven by fear when they obey him? Do you find a similarity in today's political order? Dear guys, its answer. A minion is an important person in an organization who has to obey others. The Maharaja has many minions or servants. Most of them fear the Maharaja and obey his orders faithfully. They dare not disobey or contradict him. The Maharaja's displeasure means loss of the job or even the loss of the life. Only a few of them are truly sincere towards him. One such person is the chief astrologer. He is willing to burn the books of astrology, cut off his tuft and crop his hair short. If his prediction proves untrue. The others try to keep the Maharaja in good humor. Even the Diwan is no exemption. Many officers lose their jobs when Maharaja's fury and obstinacy mount higher. The king's bullet misses the 100th tiger. It forms from the shock and falls as the crumpled heap. The hunters realize the truth, but they decide not to reveal it to the Maharaja. They fear that they might lose their jobs. In today's political order, subordinates serve their superior bosses as deaf and dumb creatures who see only what their master wants them to see. Their self-interests and the fear of elimination make them faithful servants. Question 4. Can you relate instances of game hunting among the rich and the powerful in the present theme that illustrate the callousness of human beings towards wildlife? Dear guys, its answer. In our times, big game hunting has been banned by law and so many species of wildlife have been declared endangered species. Sanctuaries, national parks, and game reserves have been established to preserve wildlife from the extinction and maintain the ecological balance in nature. Even then, sporadic cases of game hunting are reported in newspapers now and then. It is generally noticed that the erstwhile rulers, kings and nababs are the rich and the powerful persons, are famous film stars, indulge in the game hunting. The cases against late Mr. M.A.K. Pataudi and Salman Khan are still pending in the courts. Poachers and smugglers too destroy wildlife for the skin, meat or various organs of body and escape scot-free. Question 5. We need a new system for the age of ecology, a system which is embedded in the care of people and also in the care of earth and all life upon it. Discuss. Modern age is the age of ecology. A new consciousness has arisen among the human beings. Animals and birds are as much part of nature as human beings. The destruction or haphazard killing of one species may not lead only to extinction, but it will adversely affect the ecological balance. Those animals which serve as food or the wild animals will increase in large number. If the beasts of prey are wiped out, each species, howsoever fierce, deadly, ferocious or poisonous, has its own role in the scheme of things. We must devise a new system. It must focus on the care of all living beings on the earth as well as the earth itself, and all life, vegetarian or animal living on it. Steps have to be taken to preserve ecological balance in nature and prevent environmental pollution. Unpolluted air, water and food can make all living beings healthy and enable them to enjoy longer lives. Dear guys, it's all for today. Hope you would have liked this video. So please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't it till now. Press the bell icon too in order to get the more such interesting videos at the soonest. Thanks for watching.